Have you ever wondered how to create amazing 3D animated story videos without spending a dime on expensive software? Well, you've come to the right place. In today's video, we'll discuss step-by-step how you can use free AI tools to bring your animated stories to life. Imagine creating incredible characters, breathtaking landscapes, and thrilling adventures, all with just a few clicks. But you're probably thinking, that sounds too good to be true. Well, it's not. With AI, even beginners can create professional-grade animations for free. Watch this video. Isn't it amazing? But this video is made entirely using AI. Is it possible to make thousands of dollars by making videos like this? Watch this channel. This channel has uploaded animation videos and has got about 450,000 subscribers so far. Many of its videos are getting millions of views, and the monthly income of this channel is about $12,000. Its subscribers are increasing every day. That means its income is also increasing. Watch another channel. This channel has uploaded animation videos and has got about 5 million subscribers, and most of its videos are getting millions of views. Not only that, its income is more than $26,000 every month. So why are you waiting? Watch this video till the end. And start making videos to earn thousands of dollars from today. Let's get started. First, we need a perfect story. For this, you can get help from ChatGPT or Gemini. Both AI are amazing and their usage is almost the same. But I will use ChatGPT. Go to ChatGPT and write this prompt in the chat box. I will give this prompt in the description box. Go to the description box and copy the prompt. Come back to ChatGPT and paste the prompt. Then press enter. ChatGPT will give 10 popular story titles. Select a title of your choice from here. Now we need a story for voiceover. To create a voiceover, copy the selected title. Then paste it in the chat box. Wait. Before generating, copy the second promo and then paste it in the chat box again. Then generate. ChatGPT has created a beautiful story. Now we need a prompt to generate the image. Go back to the description box and copy the third prompt. Paste it in the chat box again and then click on the generate option. ChatGPT will give detailed prompts for each scene of the story. With the help of this, it is possible to make each image in detail and clearly. Our prompt is ready, but remember, a beautiful and correct story will bring more views to your video, so do not make a mistake in choosing the right story. Okay, now we need to generate the image. A fantastic tool for generating images is Leonardo. Go to Leonardo. After that, go to ChatGPT and copy the prompt. Come back to Leonardo AI, paste it in the chat box, and then click on the generate option. Okay, the image is being generated. You have to wait a little. After that, copy the prompts one by one, paste them here, and generate. When the free credit is over, you can use a different Google account. By doing this, you can generate many images. After generating the images, you have to convert the images into videos. For this, you can use Kling AI, Haluo AI, or Rinway AI. But which of these is the best? No problem, I will show you. First, let's go to Haluo AI and sign up for free with a Google account. Click on the photo to video option. Upload the image generated from Leonardo AI here. Give a beautiful prompt in the chat box, as you want. After that, click on the generate option. After that, we will wait for the video to be generated. After 1,000 years, the video has not been generated. No problem, we will use a different AI. Go to Kling AI. Sign up for free using a Google account. Click on the photo to video option. Here too, upload the AI-generated image to this box. Give a nice prompt in the chat box, as you want. Then click on the generate option. After that, I will wait for the video to be generated. Oh no, Even after 1,000 years, this website has not generated a video. No problem. Now there is one AI website left. It is Runway AI. Open Runway and sign up for free using a Google account. Then click on the photo to video option. Upload the images of Leonardo AI. Give a prompt in the chat box. Click on the generate option. Wow, how fast is the generation? When the video is generated, click here to download the video. Okay, now I need voiceover. For this, I will use 11 Labs. Go to 11 Labs, I hope you can sign up. Now paste the story you got from ChatGPT in the chat box. Select a voice. There are many male and female voices here. You can select the one you like. After that, click on the generate option. Okay, the voice is generated. Let's listen to the voice.
Once upon a time, in a beautiful forest, there lived an extraordinarily beautiful bird and a rabbit. They were good friends. They were playing in the forest.
Wow, it's amazing. Now click on the download option and download the voiceover. Okay, our voice is also ready. Now we need to edit the video. Video editing plays a crucial role in creating engaging content, and for that, I rely on CapCut. It's an incredibly user-friendly tool that's perfect for beginners and pros alike. The best part? It's completely free. Let's dive in and open CapCut to get started. First, I start by importing all the video elements into the editing software. This is the foundation, where the story begins to take shape. Finally, it's time for some magic. I enhance the visuals with effects that make the video more dynamic and visually appealing, creating a smooth and enjoyable experience for the viewer. Then, click the export button. After that, give a name to the video. Select a folder where you want to save the video. I will click on the export option again. The video is being exported. All right. Now, let's check our video. Wow, this turned out amazing. You should definitely upload it to YouTube and TikTok. You could make some serious money from both platforms. What do you think? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And hey, if you stuck around till the end, you're a real one. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on more awesome content. Big things are coming and you won't want to miss them. See you in the next one.